Let's talk about 5 different apps and websites that pay you to do weird things. Are you ready? Let's jump into it. So number 1 on our list is Sniffspot. Did you know that you could actually rent out your backyard as a private dog park? I know, right? It seems like these days you can rent anything. All right, let's just dive deeper into this one. So pretty much if you have a fenced-in yard or even a patio if you live in a big city, you can actually rent out your extra land to people who just want to have a little bit of privacy to walk their dog or just to let their dog out. So pretty much you can rent out your backyard on platforms such as Sniffspot by the hour. Now in terms of the earning potential, some people have reported that they have made as much as $3,000 per month by renting out their backyard and providing safe space for some dog owners to play. Now obviously the earnings will definitely depend on your location and the size of your yard and all the amenities. However, if you have extra outdoor space and want to make some semi-passive income, obviously you have to like clean up after the pet, or maybe you have to let people in and things like that. But otherwise, this could be a very fun way to rent out the extra space without actually hosting people inside your house. So obviously I'll include the link to Sniffspot down below, so make sure to check out my description box. Oh, and by the way, don't forget to hit that like button to support this small channel, and also follow me on Instagram because I would love to be friends. Alright, on to the next one. Number 2 on our list is ProductTube, which is an app that pays you to pretty much vlog your shopping experience. So what is unique about it is that this app will literally pay you to record yourself while you're shopping. So think of it as making a mini vlog for a brand's market research team. So the way it works is you can complete short video assignments, either at home or in store, while answering specific questions while filming. Then you can submit your video and get paid. Obviously, the earnings will really depend on the number of available tasks, but some of the video shoppers reported making between $5 to $50 per video, which is actually not bad, especially if you get to shop for something that you're already going to buy regardless. Now the website is called ProductTube.com, and once again I'll also include it in the description box down below. Now number 3 on our list is HipCamp, which is an app/website that will pay you to rent out your land for people to camp on. So what is unique about it is that you can literally turn, once again, your backyard, or if you live on a farm or like you have a lot of land, you can literally rent out your land for people to camp on, and people actually bring their tents or their vans or their campers to camp on your land. So the way it works is you can list out your land on HipCamp, set a nightly rate, and people will actually book it the same way as they would book Airbnb. And the only difference is that they will actually stay out of your house. The way that you get paid is you will actually get a direct deposit to your bank account, which is really great. And in terms of the earning potential, some people reported making between $50 to sometimes $200 per night to just have people camp on your land. Obviously, the earnings will depend once again on your location, the scenery, the amenities, the size of your lot. But once again, this could be a very great way to make extra money semi-passively and maybe offset the cost of your mortgage or your real estate taxes. So make sure to check this one out. Now, number 4 on our list is RentAFriend. All right, did you know that you can get paid to be someone's friend / a platonic companion? But apparently you can do so with RentAFriend.com. So pretty much the way it works is that you can literally get paid to hang out with people as a friend. Like, once again, this part is really important. Pretty much what you would do is things like go get coffee, chat, hang out, maybe tour your city, or do some of the fun activities that you would normally do with friends. I can totally see this being a very lucrative side hustle if you live in a city with a lot of tourists or a lot of visitors, and honestly, some people just want to have a friend to go and explore the city with. I feel like that's something that I would definitely pay for because I have traveled solo and always wanted to have someone to do things with. Now, in terms of how it works is you can go on RentAFriend, create a profile, set your hourly rate, and just let clients book you for social activities. Now, in terms of the payout, you can get paid directly from a client, you can get a direct deposit to your bank or PayPal. In terms of the earning potential, you can make anywhere between $10 to $50 per hour, once again, depending on your location and the market. And some users reported making between $300 up to $2,000 per week by literally being someone's friend. And obviously this one can be a little bit tricky, which is why it is really important to set some boundaries from the very beginning. But all in all, this can be a really fun way to make extra money. All right, number 5 on our list is Cambly. So did you know that you can get paid to speak English to people around the world? And no, you don't have to have the fancy teacher certifications or have a relevant degree to do this, because you're not technically teaching people English, you're speaking marketing to people who already speak English but just want to practice their speaking skills a little bit more. Pretty much the way it works is you will get paid to have just casual conversations with non-English speakers. You don't have to have a lesson plan, you have to have everything prepared. All you need to do is just have genuine conversations. The way it works is you can set your own schedule, log on when you're free, schedule time with clients, and just once again have fun, casual conversations. The way that you get paid is you will get a deposit weekly into your PayPal. Now, in terms of the earning potential, you will probably make between $10 to $12 per hour, depending on your level of experience and the clients. Now, as someone who is a non-native English speaker, I really can tell you that practicing English by speaking to a native English speaker can be very valuable, and some people are willing to pay some really good money to do that. So if English is your first language and you just love chatting with people, this can be a really great side hustle to check out while helping someone else develop their language skills. By the way, if you like this video, I actually think you're going to like this one as well. And all in all, I really hope that you enjoyed this video and it gave you some fun ideas to make extra money on the side online. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!